How to change your Instagram profile picture. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to change your Instagram profile picture. So in order to change your Instagram profile picture, first thing first, update your application, log into your Instagram account. So to change your profile picture on Instagram, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is follow the steps correctly. Now go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. So right on this page you can see there is edit profile in the top left hand side. Tap the button. As soon as you do that, not only you'll be able to make changes with your profile picture, you can also make changes with your name, username, your bio, your everything. So to change your profile picture, you can just tap the edit picture or avatar. Once you do that, drop down menu appears. So from the lower half of your screen, you can select either you can import a new picture from the gallery, or you can do the same procedure, or you can add the same picture that's on your Facebook, or you can remove the current picture and you can just leave it blank and not add any of the profile. Or else you can also go ahead and select the avatar feature and you can also add the avatar. Now if you want to add it from your gallery, then tap on new profile picture. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see you'll be able to access your gallery. So from here you can just go ahead and select the particular photo that you wish to add it as your profile picture. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to select the size, ratio and all that, and if you're sure about it, then tap the next button. Make sure to tap the tick icon once you've made changes, and as soon as you do that, the profile picture will be changed. So in this way you can change your Instagram profile picture. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.